Hello all you beautiful people, how are you doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're doing the present progressive in question forms. Right, are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, so same 4 ingredients as before. The only difference is that now we need to put the verb to be in the present first. Okay, so we've switched the position of the verb to be in the present and the subject. So let's start off with am. And you all know what goes with am. I. Am I playing golf? Question. Okay. Am I playing golf? Right, brilliant. Let's have a look with you. Lovely. Am you? No. You know that's not right. Are you playing golf? Are you playing golf? Excellent. How about Phil? Are Phil playing golf? No. You know that it's is. Is Phil playing golf? The pronoun for Phil is a man, so is he playing golf? Excellent. How about Angie, our favourite girl? Is Angie playing golf? Let's change the action. Is Angie writing a book? Brilliant. Excellent. Pronoun for Angie, she's a girl, so she. Is she writing a book? How about the robot? Is the robot writing a book? The pronoun for the robot, it. Is it writing a book? Now, Phil and Angie, that's 2 people. So, is Phil and Angie? No. Are Phil and Angie writing a book? The pronoun for Phil and Angie, they. Are they writing a book? How about we? Are we writing a book? We could be for maybe Phil and I. Are Phil and I writing a book? There we go, guys. Nice and easy. Present progressive in the questions. Have a wonderful day.